Hello again everybody. Today I'm gonna show you my finishing assemble of everybody's magic pack in January I will finish it. Everybody's back giveaway. So I unboxing that everybody's magic pack, my own assembling, and I will open it. It's only have 4 items. So let me show you what is that. And there is inside. So goodies. And there have this is an example. I have a deck of cards. Bicycle, my customized G. And that instructions. So it's youtube.com/LanceBevel. Subscribe. tsu.com/LanceBevel1. And there's the instruction. Congratulations! Make a video of unpacking everyday's magic bags in every phase of the process and stay tuned for next giveaway and video tricks. See ya! And there's a link. And there's the card trick. Let me show you what's that. Here's the card trick. I'll show you have 3 cards. Ask somebody to pull the middle card. And boom! Magically choice. So put it aside. There's another. Oh, a stick trick. It's actually an Eric Serp 6 pencil trick. So I call this stick trick. Can you do that? So that. And the special souvenir of Philippine coins. And there's the 3 Philippine coins, 1 peso. And there's that. So there's only the everybody's magic pack. So that's it. And I want to finish assembling of my everybody's magic bags. And that is assembling that and deck of cards. So that's it. See ya.